Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a scrolling marquee effect to your Shopify store in 2025 without using any apps. This is a simple, free way to highlight announcements like free shipping or 50% off sale right at the top of your store. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard by going to your store URL followed by /admin. Once you're in, click on Online Store from the left-hand menu, then head over to Themes. Pick the theme you're using, whether it's Dawn, Spotlight, Refresh, or any other theme, and click Customize. This will open the theme editor. Next, choose where you want your scrolling marquee to appear. Most people like it right under the header or at the very top of the page. In the editor, click Add Section, scroll down, and select Custom Liquid. This is where we'll add the code for your marquee. Now comes the fun part, the marquee code. You can choose from different styles, all of which allow your text to scroll infinitely across the screen. Replace the default text with your own announcement, like free shipping worldwide or any promotion you want to highlight. You can also customize the font size and background color to match your store's design. After adding your code, hit save and then preview to see it live on your store. It's fully mobile friendly, works on all themes, and you can experiment with colors, fonts, and text until it looks perfect. And that's it. You've successfully added a scrolling marquee effect to your Shopify store in 2025 without any apps or extra costs. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell to stay updated on more Shopify tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.